Hey YouTube, DiveWatcher. I'm getting better. Just wanted to come back to show you what arrived today and how the Seiko SLA075 should have come on the bracelet. So I put the bracelet on, as you can see. Looks really good. That classic more black grayish dial. And just wanted to give you a quick look at this. I still have the SLA073. I put the rubber strap on it, and I'll have a video coming to you soon to show it, to compare both of them. I'm getting better from being sick. Really got me good. But just want to show you this SLA075 on the bracelet, how good it looks, what it looks like, how it should have come from Seiko, in my opinion. And I'm loving it. This looks more classic and just looks really good on wrist. So the bracelet sets it off. So stay tuned for a comparison video of the SLA075 and 073, and I have a comparison up close in detail look at both of them. But I mainly wanted to show this SLA075 on the bracelet and how good it looks, how it should have came from Seiko in my opinion. And I just don't think there's any excuse that Seiko would have not put this on the bracelet. So that's all I've got. Stay tuned for the full up close and detailed comparison video of the SLA075, SLA073 Seiko Prospex. I do have both now in my collection, and I'll have a comparison video up for you soon. I should be camera ready and better and feeling better in the next couple days. They put me on a steroid shot and an antibiotics shot and then medication. But the pneumonia had gotten pretty bad. So thanks to all for the well wishes. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And I will see you soon, and I'll have the Curability review uploaded soon too, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're new, share, like, and I'll thank you again for your support. Peace.